what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to compare GoodNotes 6 versus Notability. Which among the two is better? So let's dive into the video. GoodNotes 6 versus Notability. Two of the most popular note-taking apps for iPad users. Both are powerful, but in 2025, which one's actually worth your time and money? Let's break it down. Let's start with GoodNotes 6. It's all about organization. You get notebooks, folders, subfolders, even AI-powered handwriting to text, and smart annotations. It's designed for students, planners, and digital notebook lovers. New in version 6, flashcards, an improved search tool, and cloud sync that actually works fast finally. Now, Notability. This one shines when it comes to live lectures or meetings. Its killer feature, audio sync, it records while you write and replace your notes in real time with the audio. Perfect for classes, interviews, or brainstorming sessions. It's more fluid, less structured than GoodNotes. You don't build notebooks, you just jump in and go. Pricing, both have moved to subscription models. GoodNotes 6 is around $10 a year, while Notability sits at about $15 a year. Both offer limited free tiers, but for serious use, you'll want to upgrade. So which is actually better? Pick GoodNotes if you're all about neat notebooks, planning, or studying with structured notes. Go with Notability if you're attending lectures, recording meetings, or need fast audio synced writing. Honestly, you can't go wrong, but the better app depends on how you take notes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!